What's up, boys? Another life, another monster. Another house, another monster. Or another day, another monster. I have finally finished unpacking everything today. Feels great. Feels nice. Things are going great. Applied for a job. Had an interview today. Didn't go too well because the hours were conflicting with the current job I'm applying to. It's a data entry job, which is actually really good because like the company that does it, it's like a company that literally hires what I want to major in. So it's great experience to start off. It's good pay. It's a full-time job. I'm going to be working 8 to 4, 9 to 5, one of the two. It's going to be good. It's going to be good. So that's great. But that also means like I'm not going to have a lot of time, and I've already been super packed. It's like slam-packed busy with stuff. Today's like the first day I've really been able to chill like during the day. But I mean, once I start, I mean, that's going to go out the window. But enough, what's the word? Not monologuing. Well, I am monologuing, but that's not the word I'm looking for. I'm going to give a bit of a room tour, so let's just get right to that. Alright, boys, so this is the room tour. I'm actually reshooting this scene because I was recording it vertically, even though it needs to be horizontal. So, setup is the same as the old house. Got the same desk. It's a little cleaner. Me with the girls. That's me in December of junior year. That's crazy. I look so young. And this is me in October. It's like about a year later. Big difference. Yeah, that's pretty much it. We still have the same gamer chair, so there it is. That's where all the magic happens. But going away, so we got the Taco Bell bag on the door. You already know. We got a book bag here. In the original video, I call it a football on accident. Pillow with link on it. Got my wallet. Fat stacks. My UGA papers. My GSU papers. That's a good one. Some random junk on this table. SNES and NES classic boxes, a Switch case, some random medals, a bunch of Zelda books. I think, yeah, it's crazy. I haven't even opened this one. Privilege. My shoes. Lighting's bad, but it's not a big deal. Some chessboards. My old Pokemon cards. Used to collect these back in the day. This is the deck I used. Got a Snapchat from Gabe. Man, his penis is huge. This is my nightstand. Oh, that's my wall. Ooh, that wasn't good. Just kind of dox myself low-key. Yeah, so here's my nightstand, and then here's the bed. Keyboard's usually over there on the setup, but, you know, this is where the magic happens. And then we got it all in one thing. So, yeah, let's just do it. Now on to your scheduled monster review. Oh no, Isam, don't dash to take my shield. You so sexy, and today we have the Monster Maxx. Also, while we're here, this video is terribly structured. Just want to say, don't roast the hair. I know it's bad, but I needed a job interview. I want to hear it. Actually, no, roast the hair. Get all of the roast out of the way. Big forehead, I know. Short hair looks bad, I know. Do it. Just do your worst. I don't even care. Anyway, we have Mango Matic, Monster Energy Max. Now, the Max series, not sure if y'all remember this, it's the one that injects nitrous oxide into the like regular formula. This is 0 sugar per serving, so it's probably gonna suck. But as we've learned in the past, some of the 0 sugar ones are very good. So we'll see if these join the ranks. Maybe I'll do a water review one day. I don't know why I'm so, like, all over the place today. It's just the motion of the ocean, baby. It's like 10:38 at night, so maybe I shouldn't be doing this, but that's never going to stop me. I actually love mango, both the player and the flavor, so this should be good. The smell is not good. This smells like cleaning supplies. Like, I'm pretty sure I've smelled some cleaning thing, the exact same smell. But Mama always said never judge a monster off the smell. She never said that. Anyway, let's just get into it. Oh, wow, that is a lot. Oh, and I like it. Oh, jeez. What is... Okay, all right. first sip, things are looking very good. But we gotta take it slow. It's hard to get down. Because, like, whenever you start to drink it, it literally feels like your mouth gets full of gas. I don't know how that works. Maybe it's like the temperature in your mouth. It's the fucking boiling point of nitrous oxide. I don't think so. That seems a little too extreme. But it's hard to keep down. More so than the other ones. But this might just be from my memory. Because it's been a while since I've had anything in the Maxx series. But next video will be a different Maxx flavor. It's very foamy, that's the thing. Like, if you, like, I put it in my mouth, only, like, fill up, like, a third of my mouth with the liquid, and then the foam fills it all the way to the top. It's like when you're pouring soda, and then the freaking foam overflows, and then by the time, like, the fizz dies down, you only have, like, a third of the glass poured. It's the reverse. I'm pouring a third of the glass, and then my mouth gets all the way full. Well, that's not really the reverse, it's just, I want the reverse effect than what it's giving me. Anyway, now onto the flavor, because we're 3 minutes in, more like 7 or 8, due to how the video is going to be edited. And we haven't even talked about the flavor. It is very basic mango, and that's a good thing. You can't go wrong with it. Like, it doesn't taste like actual mango. It tastes like artificial mango, like you can tell, but that's fine. Like, sometimes artificial kind of slaps. I'm digging it. I like it. Not a fan of the foam thing though, and that's gonna knock it back a bit. Ooh, I always get so burpy after these ones. So with all this being said, the flavor's good. It's just, it keeps on foaming in my mouth, and I'm not sure if I should count that. I think I should. Well, let me sip a little less, but then I'll finish it like in 2035 if I sip any less than I already am. Even then, it's kind of extreme. And even then, the flavor's not even as good. Like, you want the mango to, like, envelop your tongue all the way around. You want your tongue to be swimming in the mango juice. The Monster Maxx mango juice. I am rambling on. And that's okay. I miss y'all. I miss y'all a lot. I'm such a boomer now. But that's fine. Monster Energy Maxx Mango gets a 8 out of 10. Good flavor. Don't like how it feels like in my mouth.